Hey guys, so we're gonna be playing this eating game I saw on YouTube. I didn't know she was gonna make the actual game, so yeah. Okay, so we got our menu: flaming hot chicken, baked mac and cheese, chicken tenders, and Coca-Cola. And flaming hot dog, and strawberry chili cookie. And we're gonna eat some corn dog. Yes. This looks delicious. I wish I could have this in real life, but I could never find it. I only found that Korean Tteokbokki. I don't know how to say it, but yeah, whichever way. But yeah, I did not know there was privacy curtains. If I knew before, I would have pressed it before, cause yeah. If I would have known, I would have pressed that and nobody could have went and Hey, look at my face. Oh my gosh. Her face is scaring me. Ooh, it must be very yummy, right? Very, very yummy. It's very chewy. Very, very chewy. Okay, we gotta do some things like that to get all that chewy. Yep. Swallow. Okay. Cheesy. Very cheesy. This was a very cheesy snack to eat. Gonna have the flaming hot chicken again. Okay, so Rebecca wants to come over here and eat my food like it was hers. I have to tell her to back off. I have to go in my chat and tell her, like, stop, are you eating my food? Like, you didn't even pay for it, first of all. Like, I was about to say a whole lot, but she left. Exactly. There's like no space to breathe in there. Oh my god, no space at all. No space. So I had to like at least try to breathe in there. Okay, we're gonna get the cheesy stuff. I should have got the onion bowl. I'm gonna do another video about the onion bowl. Onion bowl look good. to my face. I look so surprised. Oh my god. I was eating them like there was no tomorrow.